Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. We have a really cool little case that was sent out to me to take a look at. Now, normally in these videos, whether I purchase the case or someone sends it to me, I love sharing these videos with you guys, hopefully to help you make a decision if these products are going to be ideal for your life and your workflow. So starting off with this case from STARTRC, this is a very semi-rigid case. It is very, very sturdy. It's not like the hard cases, but it does offer a lot of protection. You do have these little hooks here on both sides, and this is going to be for the shoulder strap, which we'll get to here in a little bit. On the back, there's pretty much nothing underneath as well. There are no feet or pads or anything like that underneath it. And in the front here, as you guys can see, we have this retractable handle. If you're into that, it comes with it. It's rubberized. It feels really nice in the hands. You also have two zippers, and I am a huge fan of cases that come with a double zipper. That's just, a backup just in case something goes wrong. And this does come with two zippers. The zipper little hooks here are rubberized as well, so that's going to give you a little bit more comfort when you're unzipping this guy. Now the zippers go all the way around, as you guys can see here, and this is what it looks like when you open the case. Now, one of the things that you will contend with is this case lid does go all the way back, but that's okay, because what that's going to allow you to do, guys, is to be able to, add your different games, cables, anything like that in those little pockets here at the top, as well as these little slots here underneath here. You guys can see you can actually put all of your little games in here, which is really nice. Now, this comes with the shoulder strap. Traditional style is easily adjustable. This rotates, so you don't have to worry about that. It's just one of those clip styles. It just clips onto those little loops that we looked at. That's really nice. Now, this one does not have the shoulder pad, but I don't think that's going to be a detractor. Inside, you guys can see here for your switch, you have a lot of storage preset, for your cables, for your accessories, all the different, things that you would normally have with your switch. My son is a Switch player, so I could really see him utilizing something like this, especially when he's going away to college and he wants to be able to store his device, his games, and everything in one little case. Maybe he's going to go over and hang out with some people in another dorm or something. And, you want to be able to transport it in a safe manner. I think this is going to be an ideal product. As we look at the inner design here, or the stitching, is really nice. You guys can see here it goes all the way around. Obviously, the zipper looks to be of very high quality. So I think this is going to be one of those cases that is going to last you a long time. I like the sound of the zipper. That's just reassuring that this is a high quality zipper. So if you guys are looking for a case for yourself or maybe for someone else, this might be ideal. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome at Rome Knows Tech. I just want to do a quick video showing you this cool little case for your gameplay. I think this is going to be a great option for a lot of people. All right, my friends, I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.